Okay, Andy, what you got in that envelope?
Super excited. So we get home from work today, and this arrived. Actually, it came here, left here, and then came back here.
It didn't have our apartment number.
No. So we should have had this like a week ago, but we got it now, and we wanted to show you the unveiling of this collector's edition package for you guys while our collector's edition is in the background. So this is if you get an LT car to an SS car, 1 LT, 2 LT, 3 LT, LT1, 1 SS, 2 SS, you will get this package from Chevrolet directly.
I'll make that simple for you. If you get anything but the ZL1,
Pretty much.
you get this.
Yes. So
if you get the ZL1, you get this, and you get a watch.
Yeah. Look, that's the money shot right there. But so this is like a cardboard. It's not paper, which is really nice. Let's see what's inside. Wow.
Another envelope. I took the tape off of everything now because I didn't want him to ruin it.
Oh, because you know me, yeah. All right. Ooh. Check it out, guys.
You've got a
Oh. And this, I even got a letter here. And this is like cardboard too. There's a bunch of Panthers on it, which I like. It's very nice. So let's read the letter, shall we? It says, Dear Andrew Garcia Jr., congratulations on your purchase of your 6th generation 2024 Camaro Collector Edition. Camaro offers a sophisticated driving experience that is second to none. Truth. To celebrate your Camaro ownership, we are enclosing a gorgeous Camaro Evolution poster that you will be proud to display in your home or on your garage wall. It features all 6 Camaro generations in an eye-catching format. As you are likely aware, today's Camaro cars represent all the spirit and soul of the original from 1967, now with the design, power, agility approaching many expensive exotic vehicles. It's even more collectible now, especially after we dropped the video yesterday of the numbers. Since the 2024 model year marks the last year of production of the 6th generation Camaro, what lies beyond we can only contemplate. Regardless, you will be pleased to know that we're also including a very special second poster featuring your 2024 Camaro Collector's Edition. In the meantime, we hope you enjoy the legacy you own, and we wish you many miles of driving exhilaration. Steve, U.S. Vice President of Chevrolet Marketing. Well, let's open this beast. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Slip this down here. So what we got here looks like it's every generation of Camaro. If you can see, I'll even take it out of the plastic here for you guys to see better. There's two posters here, and every collector's edition gets 2 posters. And there is a front and back of the posters. So that's what's really cool, and we wanted to open it for you guys so you can see, because I know a lot of people like to keep it in the plastic. But if you want to frame it, you get to choose what side you want to frame it on. So here's the first poster. All 6 generations of Camaro, 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd gen, IROC, 4th gen SS, 5th gen SS with Bumblebee, basically. And it actually has the nice wheels from the concept car, which is really cool. And they're also on Thor, Scott Suttlemare's Camaro as well. And the big boy ZL1 in Summit White, which was the color of the last 2024 Camaro to roll off the line. Still waiting to see those pictures, GM. Come on now. But that's kind of cool. And then, before we get to this one, we'll go to the back. All right. Now, a lot of people have seen the back of both of these posters. But on the back, it shows all the 6 generations of cars and does a little write-up of each one. And It also goes over the noteworthy engines in each trim, each model, horsepower, body styles, models, and trim levels, years available, and vehicles produced. So it says Chevrolet Camaro. Chevy's entry in the muscle car wars was codenamed Panther before being christened as Camaro, a French term for pal. It became one of the most iconic muscle cars in America after it was introduced in 1966. Kind of crazy, guys. Look at it. Every single generation of car. And again, it gives all the specs, all the years, and how many vehicles were produced. So I'm not going to go through all of it. We'll post pictures of it so you guys can see it a little bit better. But I will let you know of the total vehicles produced of the 6th generation car as of 7/26/2023, before the 24 model year. So as of that time, there was 389,488 vehicles produced of the 6th generation car from 2015 as a 2016 model all the way up to 2024. So as it says, Gen 6, it is at its introduction. Gen 6 was a leaner, meaner Camaro that made for a lighter, more responsive car. Available 1LE packages on the SS and Z01 made it even more potent. Now the 2024 Collector's Edition harkens back to the Camaro's origins. Codename Panther. So that's that poster. So it's really cool. We don't know which ones. We're obviously going to frame both of these, but we'll see what side we're going to do. And then here's the second one, guys, ladies and gents. This is the Panther poster. So we got a big bad ZL1 Collector's Edition on the left here, and then in the shadows, our Camaro SS. So we got the matte car and the glossy car on this poster, and it's kind of crazy because we noticed a couple things with this poster. Actually, and once you get to the back, we notice some more things. We're not going to spoil all of it, but we did want to hit some items. What do you think we're going to hit, don't you? What do you think we're going to talk about?
Well, first and foremost, in your face, the grill isn't right.
Yeah, about that, GM. We're happy you sent these to customers. We are, and we're really grateful we had the opportunity to get one, and you sent us one. It's definitely going to go on our wall. We definitely hope to get it signed by a couple people, but it's wrong in many areas. That grill is just a basic ZL1 grill.
Yeah, that's the ZL1 grill that was on my...
Crazy. It's supposed to be a ZL1 1LE grill.
It's not.
It's not. And then, on the, well, at least the calipers are red. But on this caliper, it says 1LE.
It looks like
it. It looks like it says 1LE.
You can't really tell because it's moving.
It
looks like it.
It's kind of crazy. Also, big note, the mirrors are the same color as the car. They were supposed to be satin to match the rockers, the front splitter, and the wing, and the vinyl on the hood, on the roof, and on the trunk lid. Just some noticeable differences, guys, but we want to point it out to you because it should be right. This is a collector's edition item that people will be storing in their garages and homes for their entire life, especially if they own the vehicle. So, and when 100 years from now, when all of us are gone and the cars are still around, or vice versa, and they ask about the history of the car, you want this stuff to be correct. So, it's kind of crazy.
Match the car.
You want it to match the product that they built. I mean, it's just little simple design cues, attention to detail. So, then we have the back, which is really nice. And it shows every trim level of Collector's Edition. LT, LT1, SS, and Z01. And it goes over all of the certain specs you get for each trim level. So we'll actually go over a couple of them because, again, there are some things that are missing. Some things that weren't designed properly on this. And a lot of people don't even know. Like it's crazy. And we've been waiting to get ours to tell people, but and other customers posting pictures of theirs, we've noticed it. So it's kind of crazy. But it says Chevrolet Camaro. Like many 1960s performance cars, everyone expected the Chevy entry to be a predator animal, codenamed Panther. Inspired by the 1960s peace and love, and starting with the Chevy C, the hip new Chevy was christened Camaro, a French word for pal, but don't be fooled by the name. Its bite is stronger than ever. To commemorate this iconic history, Chevrolet offered a limited run of the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro Collector's Editions, all black and even more vicious than the original. And as of yesterday, like we told you, they only built a total of 1,335 collector's cars out of 12,870, guys. We at the Camaro Cave brought you guys the news first, so it's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy because the numbers are so low, and we hope you guys have seen the posts about it. It's insane. But let's get back to it. We got the big bad ZL1 up top next to the SS, the LT1 car, and the LTRS car. So first, we'll start off with the LTRS car because right off the bat, you notice what's wrong with it. So first of all, it says first ever Panther black metallic tint coat exterior paint, which we know it's a tri-coat, but they won't fix it for some reason. 335 horsepower with the V6, 284 feet-pound of torque, factory 2, Gen 2 splitter, collector's edition badge. But this car, zoom in on this, Tonya, because this car right here is missing something. Can you see what it is, T?
It's too dark.
Is missing the wing. It actually does not have the collector's edition ZL1 wing. It just has a basic LT wing, the low wing. So that is a huge miscue from the design team that designed this car, designed the poster at least. Now the poster is really cool. We're not going to deny that, and we're glad to get one. But there's just some wrong things. Same thing with the LT1 car. The caps on the polished forged aluminum wheels are supposed to have the Camaro logo on them with the red, white, and blue stripes, and it does not. The ZL1 looks fine from the back end. I mean, you can't really mess it up. It's got the ZL1 wing, 1LE wing on it. The SS looks fine, but it's very dark, the poster, so you really have to look at these images to see if things are missing. Now, there might be a couple more, so comment in the video if you can see which ones are missing as well, and we'll give you the yes or no. But yeah, those are the two posters, guys. We're really excited and thankful for General Motors and Chevrolet to send us these. I mean, we bought the car, so we definitely tried to get one, and we're glad we did. But we got our Panther, we love it, and if you're watching behind us is our Panther story so far. Ooh, that's great. These two pictures were great. So that was when we went to the rail yard. So that was kind of cool. But this is the day that both cars arrived. There's Bagheera and Bagheera's littermate, which I'm delivering tomorrow to a customer. So stay tuned. We're going to try to do a video with him as well. But it's going to be pretty cool. There's Bagheera. Me and our service lot guy Elio when both of our cars arrived. Tony checking it out. I mean, that paint is just insane, guys. But yeah, we're going to be framing these for sure. And we definitely thank everyone in the design team and Chevrolet and Camaro and Team Camaro for being there for us. So we hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, or join our membership and check out our sponsors as well if you want to save some money on some great items. And our shop is open right in the description here. So check it out, and we got a lot more coming your way real soon.